Okay, I'm gonna see if I can do this without making everybody sick. Shaking the camera. Got me some chain horns from Kleinn Automotive. Got them in about a week ago, week and a half. Finally got to put them in. Got them working yesterday, which was June 4th. As you see, we have it mounted in front of the spare tire. This is a 2013 F250. This is the back side of the horns here. See if I can get another angle on it. Install wasn't too terribly hard. It's pretty simple. Just remove that spare tire to make it a little easier. Probably can't see too much, but there's the rest of them right there. With the hoses, see if I can find them somewhere under here. Anyhow, we have it ran, and we're not completely finished with hiding the hoses and stuff like that. We just had to get it to where we wanted it to go. You know, just so we can get it going. Wanted to have a little bit of fun. There's the tank, as you see, mounted on the passenger side. It's hard to really get everything on this gravel here. Wasn't too prepared to make a video. This is the bracket they have for the compressor and the tank. Of course, you see the hose for the compressor there, but there's the valve there, the pressure switch. Of course, I have my wire run across the bottom of the truck for now. Like I say, not finished with the hiding of the wires or anything like that. I just wanted to make sure it works. Now, the switch that was sent with it, I kind of messed up a little bit and drilled a little too big of a hole, but this is the switch that goes with it. It's just a push button switch. You hook the wires to it. So I kind of made a alternate switch, I guess. That's where my power, I'm sorry, not my power, that's where the air horns are hooked. My power is actually hooked to that second auxiliary switch. So it comes on when the key is turned on. Of course, the tank will fill up until it, I guess, fills up. Pressure switch will turn it off. You'll be good to go. Just tap on that horn right there. Have a lot of fun. I've already had a lot of fun with it today. My niece went to work with me and she was laughing the whole day. So to Kleinn Automotive, I really appreciate it and I'm very satisfied. Thank you.